Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. Today it's not a cooking video, it's more like a food assembly video. And let's put this knife away and let's talk about today. It was a rainy day and just gloomy in total. And I'm not at my usual spot, which is my coffee shop. I'm at my house. And let's talk about this cutlet in front of me. This giant cutlet. Actually, my mother was watching some YouTube videos earlier and she saw a cutlet making video and she wanted to try to make one. And okay, I said, and I bought some chicken for her for making chicken cutlet and she made it. When I saw this cutlet, an idea just struck in my head to make a hamburger because it's a perfect patty size cutlet. This is a big cutlet. So okay, I bought some ready-made burgers. Nothing I have made at home. Everything is bought from a burger buns are bought from a Borman near my place, coffee shop, and I have some veggies that cut to be filled between the burgers and some homemade mayonnaise that my mother made with egg, garlic, milk, oil, etc. You know the gist of making a mayonnaise. If you are watching this video, you probably know. This is a cooking, not a cooking video, but an assembly video, food assembly video. So let's first take these buns out of this packet. No, this is giant buns. Let's feel them how it is. Let's get on. Oh, these are some giant buns. So let's try to cut this bun into two pieces for filling with this knife. Let's hope I don't mess this bread up. Ah, it was good. Ah, this worked perfectly actually, and the slice was nice. I got a good section. Now I put this cutlet in between here. Okay, before putting the cutlet, I'm going to put some mayonnaise on the bottom. Now I'm going to put couple of onion rings down and put this cutlet in between and put a couple of onion rings on top and some carrots also. I have put some lime juice on the vegetables to give it a flavor, limey flavor. Okay, then I'm going to pour some more of the mayonnaise on the top of it. And I'm going to put the mayonnaise on top of the lid also of the burger, on top of the burger, and I'm closing it. Now this is a burger. This is a chicken cutlet burger. This looks beautiful. See, chicken cutlet burger, beautiful. So let's taste it. It's very yummy. It's a homemade mayonnaise and mix and homemade cutlet, so it's very tasty. It's a simple thing you can make at home. You can buy this. You can make this bun also, burger bun at home. But to make it easy, I bought a already pre-made bun from Burma near my house. So if you like such contents, please like, share, comment. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.